Ever wondered what would happen if you savored a glass of tantalizing mango juice every week? Well, get ready for a delightful and nutritious treat. Bursting with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, mangoes can give your immune system a boost, aid digestion, and leave your skin radiant. The natural sugars in this golden elixir might grant you a sweet energy kick, while the potassium content helps keep your heart healthy. However, remember that too much of a good thing can lead to extra pounds or blood sugar woes, so sip in moderation and enjoy the benefits of mango juice as part of a well-balanced diet. Subscribe if you like this info